Hey everyone, this is Paul, teacher from ATM English. I'm here to share with you guys a few tips about our brand new product, the dry erase whiteboard, okay? Now we introduced this in our past training in October and so many people are going crazy over this, and let me share with you guys why everybody's so crazy about the dry erase whiteboard, okay? Now, traditionally, we write with a pen or a pencil and we write on a piece of paper, right? Well, that's the thing. If you write on a piece of paper, you have to erase it or you have to turn it in and you get other piece of paper. It starts adding up. It's it gets to be tedious. But with the dry erase board, guess what? You just write very quickly and then you erase it and you have it here. You don't have to hand in anything. You can continually write. You don't have to wait for a piece of paper. The teacher saves time, doesn't have to pass out the paper, doesn't have to collect the paper. The kids, when they're doing that, it wastes a lot of time. This is so much quicker. And because you don't need a lot of pieces of paper, guess what? You're going to write more. So this tool, if you have this dry erase whiteboard, guess what? You're going to write a lot more. Your students are going to write 10 times more than if they just use paper and pen or pencil. So this is a writing tool, but it's also a literacy tool. And secondly, because your students are writing, they can show everybody else what they're writing. With a piece of paper, it's really hard for everybody to show. It makes noise, it can fall over, all these things. But this, the teacher asks a question, everybody raises their whiteboard. And when they do this, it becomes more of a student-centered class. It doesn't become a teacher-centered class. When you hand in your paper to the teacher's in charge, it becomes teacher-centered. When all the students are sharing their answers, it becomes a student-centered classroom. So, number one, you're going to write a lot more than if you just have paper and pencil. Number two, your classroom becomes a student-centered classroom instead of a teacher-centered classroom. And lastly, our great tip, it's fun. Writing is usually something that you hide and you just don't want anybody to see because you're not sure about yourself. It isn't a fun activity. When you do this, writing becomes a fun activity. So for these three reasons, you guys should get a whiteboard. If you are a teacher, if you want a student-centered classroom where your students are writing a lot more and you want it to be fun, this literacy tool, this writing tool will accomplish that for you. So these three tips, okay? Student-centered, write more, and more fun. If you want these things as a teacher, I highly suggest you pick up one of these great whiteboards, this literacy tool. It is not a prop. It's a great tool for learning. So thank you guys. I just wanted to share that really quickly with you as our New Year is coming up. So all you passionate, great teachers, thank you for listening, and I will see you guys next time. Remember, no fun, no learning. Bye-bye.